And muscadines are ready for me to, they're boiling. You bring them to a boiling point, and then you pour the sugar in.
Stir it as you go.
Stir it while you're going.
And what next?
So this will have to come to a gelling point, which is on the thermometer is 220. You can also, if you don't have a thermometer, you can take a spoon and put some in the freezer after about 20 minutes to see if this will boil. Anyway.
It's going to boil until it gets thicker, right?
Yeah, till it gets
to the gel stage.
Yeah, to the gelling stage.
Which is 220 degrees.
See right now, see how it falls off the spoon now?
Really thin.
Like this. When it gets to the gelling point, it'll come off in sheets. So you have to stir it all the time when you're doing this. So you boil your, then before this you have to prepare your jars. And we've got the
sterilize the little jelly jars with steam boiling water.
You have to boil the lids.
We boil the lids to sterilize those.
While it's cooking, you have to stir it all the time, so you be prepared to stand and stir. Usually it'll take 20-25 minutes.
Of stirring. What temperature do you have it on?
I have it on medium.
And you don't need to go much above that, do you? Because it might scorch on the bottom.
On the bottom.
Yeah. So this is the patient time, right?
Yep, you have to be patient, and it's good if you got somewhere to prop.
Okay. I'll stir some. So now we need to wait for it to get done, and once that gets done, we'll be back showing you how you put the jam in the jars. That's the fun part. Okay.